I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to go in a store like Lucky's, purchase some Bitcoin. Excuse me. Walk. CoinStar. Go ahead, purchase Bitcoin. It's the small print. Put your phone number in. Oh, mind you, before you come here, sign up with coinme.com. CoinMe, CoinMe, coinme.com. So that way you can put your phone number in here. Okay, now you just put your money in. That's it. Just touching my car, man. So I'll start talking shit like my hands is dirty. Okay, so after you do that, this is what you're left with. But remember what I told you. Before going there, you would want to go to coinme.com and you know, subscribe to them or whatever, and you know, set up an account so that way your phone number is linked in the system, so when you go to the machine you can go ahead and put your phone number in and, you know, do the whole thing, and this is what you get. Sorry if my hands is dirty. I know I've been messing with my car. And yeah, so after you get this piece of paper, right, you get this code right here. You're gonna enter this code. When you go on coinme.com, you're gonna go on the drop down menu and click on redeem code. It's the top left drop down menu. You click on it and go to redeem code, and then boom, you punch this in. Punch that thing in, and then the PIN and your phone number, and then boom, the funds is transferred. It ain't instantly, so you just gotta wait a little bit. Log out, and then wait like 5 minutes. Log back in, and it'll be there. And boom, you got your money. And then you can do whatever you want with it. Send it to whoever you want to send it to. All right, y'all.